Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, welcome. I'm the Snatch Sis here on YouTube. I generally do lifestyle type videos. And today I am doing another keto cooking video. So a lot of my videos for keto cooking is desserts, just because like we have a lot of staples that we eat where it's just like burgers without the bun with salad, or like steaks with salad, or just like chicken or whatever it may be. So anyways, continuing on, what we did today is, well, what I did today, wow, I have no train of thought right now. I apologize. That was just a lot for me to try and put words together. What I'm making today is buffalo chicken wings. So I personally really like wings. Buffalo's not necessarily like my favorite, but buffalo sauce tends to be the sauce that has less carbs in it. So that is what we're doing. It's in this book. It's called Keto in an Instant. Everything you make is in an Instapot. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get into it. So this recipe has 1 gram of net carbs per 3 wings. And the recipe that it has, the serving size, like I just said, is 3 wings, and it serves 4, so you're using 12 chicken wings. My family, we did 1.5 for the recipe. I read it as the normal recipe though for the sake of the video. Down below will be all the ingredients and everything that you need to know for it. So yeah, let's get cooking. Here are all of the things that you will need for the buffalo chicken wings. If you notice, we have quite a few wings. As I mentioned in my intro, 3 wings is a serving size, but there's only 1 carb per 3 wings, so we're each going to have 6. To start the wings, you combine a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and then 1.5 tablespoons of your olive oil. And then you're going to coat the wings in that. So here is my sauce. I'm going to put it into here, and then I'm going to put my wings in and put this paper plate on top and shake it up. That way they get nice and tossed in the sauce. This sauce, the recipe that I'm giving you guys, which I'll put the serving size and how many it makes, it's for 12 wings, and it's a serving size of 3 wings per person. If you're having this as your actual dinner meal, most people eat 6 wings, which is what we're doing. So I just did 1.5 of the recipe. Whatever works best for you and your family and what people want to eat is what you should do. But just know in the description box will be all the information about it. Now that all of the wings are nice and coated, you're going to add 2/3 a cup of cold water. Make sure your steam rack's in there. Stack your wings onto your steam rack, and then you are going to pressure cook on high for 7 minutes. Next, you're going to add in 4 tablespoons of butter and 1/4 a cup of your red hot sauce per 12 wings, and you're going to heat it together on the stove on medium heat and continue stirring it until it is bubbling, and then take it off the heat. So what I did is I took the sauce and dumped it into a bowl, and then dumped the wings in there and put a plate on top of the bowl and tossed the wings in the sauce. And this is the finished product. We just finished eating the keto chicken wings, and they were really good. It tells you to use wings with skin. I probably would take the skin off of them next time before I make them, but other than that, like, they were good. They were chicken wings. That's 110% just, they were chicken wings. They were good. I enjoyed them. I'd probably give them like a 9 out of 10, just because buffalo isn't my favorite, but with being able to have buffalo, I'm pretty happy. We did try a barbecue sauce like with a rotisserie chicken one time, and I didn't like it. I didn't think that it was like barbecue sauce. Like Sweet Baby Ray's just like has my heart, so if I'm gonna eat barbecue, like it's gonna be that sauce, you know? But they were really good. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and feel free to leave a comment down below about if you have any questions on what things you want to be able to make. If I have a recipe for it, I will for sure let you know where I found it. I also use a lot of recipes off of Pinterest whenever we make stuff, so highly, highly recommend looking on there or buying yourself a cookbook. They have tons of them on Amazon, all at different price points. They even have ones for people who live busy lives, which I actually just ordered another one, so hopefully it'll come in soon. But if you did like this video, like I said, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can see more of my videos and learn how to cook keto, but also all of the other craziness that is going on in my life on a regular basis. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.